is having a benchmark is like the how to say the always. I know a lot of startups are struggling with having benchmark and what metrics they should follow. So did you have any metrics or
So like
numbers you
evaluations.
your evaluation process
Yeah.
to
Yeah.
say, oh, this is really similar, the response is maybe Reid would say, or similar to Reid.
Yeah. So this is a continuous kind of thing.
Mm.
First of all, I think you're right. Okay, you cannot have an AI system. You cannot reliably deploy it for anything serious unless you are evaluating it. Like unless you are giving it a grade on the things you want it to be good at, you cannot improve what you don't measure. That's the age-old quote. If you're not measuring it, impossible to improve it. So now we have to measure conversational like accuracy. But that what does that mean, right? So sometimes it's like retrieval. Okay, you ask a question and it is not in the context window of the model, it's in the knowledge base. So did the AI even retrieve the fact? Okay, that's one eval. Then the second eval is like, did it interpret the fact well enough to be, as we would expect Reid to do so? And on one hand, you have like all the so it's like, how do you create these data sets? I think one, it's like you have all these podcasts, you have questions people are asking already to the real Reid, and then you ask those same questions to the AI Reid, and then you see, okay, it's like 60% there. Okay, well now we need to improve prompt engineering. Or actually, it's not even in the knowledge base. We need to make the knowledge base more richer. And we're in the very beginning of this. Like this is when I say like internal tool is a good place to start because you have to build these evaluation criteria before you roll it out widely. And also like there's a lot of human testing. So me and my teammates, we literally talked to this and we're like, okay, then there's evaluating the voice, right? We spend a lot of time just getting the voice to be like him. And then then all of a sudden you try the voice in Japanese and you're like, wait a minute, now we got to start all over. Like it's like we want it to be good in different languages. We want it to be good. We want it to sound like him. So then we have to like make sure we have the right raw data that we're using to train the clone. And then we want it to say things that are in the vein of what he might say. And then also, and this is character design. I think of this entire thing as character design because and I think it's up to the creator, right? In Reid AI's case, Reid is like it shouldn't say I'm Reid Hoffman. It should just say I'm Reid AI. It should be transparent up front. It's not like trying to deceive you, right? It's like this is a digital twin of Reid, and it's not going to say I'm Reid Hoffman. Or if it does, then I have to go and fix something because like that's an evaluation criteria, right? So when I say one of the questions that we